Hello everyone, welcome to my session on averages. What is the average? A general, simple, fundamental formula. What is the average? That is sum of the numbers by number of numbers. Yes, this is the average. But ఇక్కడ మనం ఏంటంటే కొంచెం లాజిక్ అప్లై చేస్తే మనకి అంత కాంప్లికేషన్ ఏమి ఉండదు. ఎస్, యావరేజ్ ఇస్ ఎ వెరీ సింపుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆల్సో. Okay, let us check. A batsman scores 35, 45, and 37 in first, second, and third innings respectively. Find the average of runs in the 3 innings. Like two methods. What is the average? Sum of the numbers by number of numbers. That is 35 plus 45 plus 37 by total number of numbers. That is equal to 3. What is the sum? 5, 10, 17, 7, 1, 4, 8, 117 by 3. So what happened? That is equal to 39 is the answer, right? Now, what is the other case? Here, the numbers are, sorry guys. The numbers are 35, 45 and 37. First, you write down numbers in the ascending order. 35, 37 and 45. Let us take the middle one is an average. Let us take the middle one is an average. Now, what is the difference between 35 and 37? This is equal to plus 7 or not? Plus 7, sorry, plus 2. And what is the difference between 45 minus and what is the sum? That is equal to 8 or not? So what happened? This is equal to what is the difference? That is equal to minus 6. Here minus 6 on 3 numbers. So what happened? 6 by 3, that is equal to 2 or not? So what is the average? That should be 37 plus 2, that is equal to 39. That's all. See, this is also very simple. This first one is also very, second one is also simple. But suppose the numbers are complicated. Suppose 67, 89 and 78. These type of numbers are there. Better to go through this method. Just all the numbers are written in the ascending order. Just to take the difference. This is plus 2 minus 8 or minus 2 plus 8. Whatever it is. Here that is equal, the difference equal to 6. That 6 on 3 numbers. So whatever the average one number. 6 by 3 equal to 2. So just add 2 to that number. So that is equal to 39, which is required answer. The average of first n natural numbers. See, first 2 natural numbers, 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. What is the average? 3 by 2, that is equal to 1.5. Suppose first 3 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. Suppose first 4 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is equal, that implies what happened? Here this is equal to 10. 10 by 4, that is equal to 2.5. Now and so on, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 61, then what is the answer? Okay, if you observe 2 digits, average equal to 1.5. 3 numbers, average equal to 2. 4 numbers, average is equal to 2.5. So how to solve this one? Here 2 digits, here 3 digits, here 4 digits. What is the average? Just 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1.5 or not? And what about this one? 3 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 4 or not? What about this one? 4 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 5 or not? Etc. Here, what is the average of 61 natural numbers? 61 plus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 31, which is required answer. Here, the average of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Just remember, or just to generalize this value, you will get the answer. The average of first 61 even numbers. First two even numbers, 2 plus 4, that is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. 2 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 12 by 3 is equal to 4. Next, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that implies what happened? That is equal to 20 by 4, that is equal to 5, and so on. If you observe like this, 2 digits, 3, 3 digits, 4, 4 digits, 5. That means if 61 natural number, then what happened? 61 plus 1, that is equal to 62 is the answer. That means the average of first 61 even numbers is, or 61 or n, let us take n plus 1 is the answer. అసలు ఇవన్నీ చెప్పడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే, సపోజ్ ఇవి కాకుండా ఇంక ఏ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చా సరే మీరు జనరలైజ్ ఎలా చేయాలి అనేది తెలుసుకోవడానికి మాత్రమే. ఓకేనా? నేను డైరెక్ట్గా అక్కడేమో n plus 1 by 2 లేదా ఇక్కడ n plus 1 ఇలా చెప్పవచ్చు. కానీ బట్ ఎందుకు చెప్పట్లేదంటే, క్వశ్చన్ చేంజ్ అయిందంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఒక్క విషయం గుర్తుంచుకోండి, నేను మెథడ్ షార్ట్ మెథడ్స్ చెప్పేసానంటే అవి గుర్తుంచుకోవడం కాదు, మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ఎలాగిచ్చినా సరే మీరు చేయగలగాలి. ఆ కంఫర్ట్ జోన్ కోసమే నేను ఇవన్నీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకే, 61 odd numbers. What happened? 1 plus 3, that implies 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. 1 plus 3 plus 5, so that is equal to, what happened? 9 by 3, that is equal to 3. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. See, just a moment. That implies 10, 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. Here 4 numbers, 4. 3 numbers, 3. 2 numbers, 2. What about 61 odd numbers? That is equal to 61. See, the average of first n odd numbers, first n odd numbers is n. That is the answer. First 61 whole numbers. What is the whole number? Start with 0. First 2. 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2, that equals 0.5. 0 plus 1 plus 2, that implies that is equal to 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3, so that is equal to 6 by 4, that is equal to 1.5. If you observe 2, 0.5, 3, 1, so this is equal to 2 minus 1 by 1 or not. This implies 3 minus 1 by 2. And what about this one? This is 4 minus 1 by 2. Here 61. Then what happened? 61 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 30. Here the average of first n whole numbers is n minus 1 by 2. Okay, either you by heart these are, or otherwise just leave it. Just to find the generalized value, you will get the answer. 5 prime numbers, there is no logic. First prime number 2, next prime number 3, next prime number 5, next prime number 7, next prime number 11. What we require? Divided by 5. Here this is equal to 10. 10 plus 11, 21. 21 plus 7, 28 by 5. So this is equal to 5.6, which is required answer. దీన్ని మనం జనరలైజ్ అయితే చేయలేం, ఎందుకంటే ప్రైమ్ నంబర్స్ కాబట్టి. Find the average squares of the natural numbers till 7. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఒక విషయం గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Sum to n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum to squares of first n natural numbers. Natural numbers is equal to n into 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And next, sum to cubes of first n natural numbers. n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, now what is the question here? Find the average of squares of the natural numbers till 7. So what happened? N into n plus 1, 7 into n plus 1, 8 into 2n plus 1. There go 14 plus 1, 15 by 6 into how many natural numbers are there? That is equal to 7 or not. So you need to divide with 7. Gets cancelled. 2 3 times, 2 4 times. This is equal to 5 times. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 20. Next, find the average cubes of the natural numbers till 7. So what is the answer? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, right? 7 into 8 by 2 whole square. What we require? By 7 is also there. So what happened? This is equal to 4. So 28 into 28 by 7. 7 4 times. That is equal to. So how to calculate this one? 4 into 30, 120 minus 8. That is equal to 112, which is required answer. ఎప్పుడు కూడా 28 స్క్వేర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేది. ఎప్పుడైనా సరే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఎప్పుడు కూడా క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు మాత్రం మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. అంతవరకు మల్టిప్లై కానీ డివిజన్ కానీ ఏమి కూడా చేయొద్దు. ఓకే. The average mark obtained by 120 candidates in a certain examination is 35. Find the total marks. Here, total how many members are there? 120 members. What is the average? 35. What we require? Total. This is a very simple, just a fundamental. Here, 120 into 35. So, how to calculate 120 into 35? 35 into 100, 3,500. Keep in your mind. 35 into 270. 35 into 20, 700. Already we have 3,500. 3,500 plus 700. So 4,200, which is required answer. ఇక చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఈ మెథడ్స్ అన్ని కూడా మీకు జాగ్రత్తగా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయంటే నెక్స్ట్ సింప్లిఫికేషన్ మనకి ఈజీ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? రైట్. If the sum of the n numbers, number of quantities is 30 and the average is 6, find the value of n. See, sum of n number of quantities is equal to 30. The average is equal to 6. N numbers, average is equal to 6. What is the total? That is equal to 6n or not. But according to this condition, what is the 6n? That is equal to 30. What is the value of n? 30 by 5, 30 by 6. So that is equal to 5, which is required answer. Next, the average of 12 numbers is 35. If each number is multiplied 2 by 2, the average of the new set of numbers. See, the average of n numbers is x. Okay, first one. If each number is multiplied by k, then the new average is k into x. Suppose if each number is increased by k, then the new average is x plus k. Here, if each number is multiplied by k, then what is the new average? That is equal to kx. If each number is increased by k, then what is the new average? That is equal to x plus k. Here, what is the condition? If the average of 12 numbers is equal to 35, then what is the, if each number is multiplied by 2, then what is the set of average of new set of numbers? Just to multiply this 35 with 2, that is equal to 70 is the answer. No need to find what is the total number and then multiply each and every number with 2. Again, find the average, etc., etc. Nothing to worry. Here, total 12 numbers. Leave it. And average is equal to 35. Each and every number is increased by 2. So what is the new average? Just to multiply that average with 2, you will get the answer. So what is the answer? Answer is 70. Next, the average of 11 numbers is 21. If 3 is added to each number, what will the new average? Already I explained previously. If each number is increased by k, what is the new average? That is equal to x plus k. Now, what is the here? 21. Each number is increased by 3. So what is the answer? New average, that is equal to 24, which is required answer. Next one. The average of 11 results is 50. If the average of first 6 results is 49 and that of last 6 is 52, the sixth result is C. The average of 11 results, that is equal to 50. What is the total? That is equal to 550 or not. Right? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The average of first 6 results, that is equal to 49. 6 into 49. How to calculate 6 into 49? What is the nearest value of 49? That is equal to 50. 6 into 50, 300. 300 minus 6, that is equal to 294. Last 6, 52. 6 into 52. So this is equal to 6 into 50, 300. 6 into 2, 12. 312. What is the sum? 294 plus 312. That is equal to what happened? This is equal to 396, 306, 606. What is the average of 11 results? 550. Suppose if you take the consideration of first 6 and last 6, that is equal to 606. So what is the difference? 606 minus 550. So what is the sixth result? That is equal to 56. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఆ సిక్స్త్ రిజల్ట్ కాకుండా ఇంకే రిజల్ట్ అడిగినా సరే కాంట్ సే. ఎందుకు సిక్స్త్ రిజల్ట్? ఎక్కడైతే ఓవర్లాప్ అవుతుందో అది మాత్రమే మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయగలం. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 56. నెక్స్ట్ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. The average of 11 results equal to 30. 11 into 30, that is equal to 330. The average of first 5 is equal to 25. 5 into 25, that is equal to 125. Last 5 is equal to 28. 5 into 28, this is equal to 140. What is the sum? 125 plus 140, that is equal to 265. Actual average is equal to 330. 10 numbers average, 10 numbers total equal to 265. 330 minus 265. So this is equal to 65. This 65 is the difference of this sixth result. Why? Because we skipped that letter. We skipped that value. Right? Now, suppose in this question, apart from sixth value, if you want to find any value, answer is can't say. Right? So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 65. The average age of students in a class of A of 50 students is 14 years, and the average of section B of 30 students is 6 years. Then find the average age of students in both sections. See, here 50 members, average is equal to 14. What is the total? That is equal to 700. 30 members, average is equal to 6 years. And what is the total? That is equal to 180. What is the total? 880. What is the total members? 80. What we required? Find the average age of students in both sections together. So what is the average? That is equal to 880 by 80. So that is equal to 11 is the answer. The average of 10 quantities is 12. The average of 6 of them is 8. The average of the remaining numbers. Even direct simple questions. 10 quantities, average 12, total 120. 6 numbers, average 8, total 48. So remaining here, this is, let us take this is equal to 50. 120 minus 50, that equals 70. So 72. That means 4 numbers, total is equal to 72. That implies what is the average? That is equal to 72 by 4. That is equal to 18, which is required answer. Now, the average of 30 boys of a class equal to 14 years. When the age of the class teacher is included, the average becomes to 15 years. Find the age of the class teacher. See, 30 members, average is equal to 14 years. If the class teacher is included, then also let us take 14. Is it correct? No. ఎందుకంటే క్లాస్ టీచర్ ఇంక్లూడ్ అయిన తర్వాత యావరేజ్ ఏమైంది 15 అయింది. అంటే ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది? 1 year ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. యావరేజ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఆన్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్. టోటల్ 1 ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆన్ హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్? టోటల్ 31 మెంబర్స్ అన్నట్టు. 30 మెంబర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ 1 స్టూడెంట్. ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయినట్టు? ఫర్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ 1 year ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే 31 మెంబర్స్ ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది? 31. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద టోటల్? 45 is the answer. Once again, 30 members, average is equal to 14. If 31 members is also equal to 14, this is not a correct. ఎందుకంటే 31st person 14 అనుకున్నాం, కరెక్ట్ కాదు కదా. ఎందుకంటే యావరేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. యావరేజ్ ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది? 1 year ఆన్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్. ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? 31 members. So you need to add 31 to this number. So what is the answer? Answer is equal to 45. The average age of 24 boys and a class teacher is equal to 15 years. If the class teacher left the class due to health problem, the average becomes to 14. Find the age of the class teacher who left the class. Okay, children. 24 boys and class teacher, that is equal to 25 members. What is the average? That is equal to 15. What is the total? That is equal to 375. If the class teacher left, then how many members are? 24 members. Now, what is the average? Average is equal to 14. Now, what is the total? 24 10 times, that is equal to 240. Keep in your mind. 24 into 4, 96. 240 plus 96, that is equal to 330, 336. Okay. So, what happened? What is the difference? Suppose this is the rounded figure. So that is 40, 40 plus 35, 75 plus 5. So 39 is the answer. See, direct carry a borrow, adi alagin chekandi. Then rounded figure cheyandi. Round figure ante emothundi 340 avutundi. Okay. Sorry guys. 375 ki 340 difference anta 35. ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు మనం 340 చేయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాం? మనం 4 యాడ్ చేస్తాం. మరి 4 దానికి కూడా యాడ్ చేయాలి కదా. సో 35 plus 9, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ 35 plus 4, 39 is the answer. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చాలా కేర్ఫుల్గా ఉండాలి. The average weight of 50 balls is 5 grams. If the weight of the bag be included, the average weight increases by 0.05 grams. 55 grams. If the bag is also equal to 5 grams, is it correct? No. It increases by 0.05 grams. Total, how many articles are there? 50 balls plus bag, 51. So, 51 into 0.05. So, how much here? 5 into 1, 5, 5 on 25. Okay. So, this is equal to 2.55 grams. 2.55 grams. So just add this one. So 7.55 grams, which is required answer. That's it. Okay, no? Next. The average weight of 4 men is increased by 3 kgs when one of them who weighs 120 kgs is replaced by another man. What is the weight of the new man? Okay, children. 4 men weight 3 kgs increase అయింది. ఓకే, ఎందుకు ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది? 120 kgs పర్సన్ రీప్లేస్ చేయడం వల్ల. ఓకేనా? అంటే న్యూ పర్సన్ వెయిట్ 12 kgs మోర్ దెన్ ద ఓల్డ్ పర్సన్ అన్నాడు. ఎలాగంటే 4 men ఉన్నారు, ఆన్ అండ్ యావరేజ్ 3 kgs పెరిగింది. టోటల్ ఎంత పెరిగినట్టు? 12 kgs అయినా. ఈ 12 kgs ఎందుకు పెరిగింది? ఒక పర్సన్ వెళ్ళిపోయి కొత్త పర్సన్ రావడం వల్ల. అంటే ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఓల్డ్ పర్సన్ వెయిట్ అండ్ న్యూ పర్సన్ వెయిట్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 12 kgs. అవుట్ గోయింగ్ పర్సన్ వెయిట్ ఎంత? 120 kgs. మరి ఇన్కమింగ్ వెయిట్ ఎంత ఉంటుంది? 120 + 12 132 ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే యావరేజ్ ఎంత ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది? యావరేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 × 3 దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 12 kgs. ఎందుకు ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది? 120 kgs పర్సన్ రీప్లేస్ చేయడం వల్ల. సో 120 + 12 132 ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఈ యావరేజెస్ లో మీకు స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ చెప్తున్నాను, బట్ కరెక్ట్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకున్నారంటే అసలు స్టెప్స్ కూడా యూస్ చేయం, డైరెక్ట్గా చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. In a class, there are 24 boys whose average is decreased by 3 kgs. 3 months when one boy is 20 years replaced by a new boy. Find the average of the boy. Okay, children. In a class, there are 24 boys whose average is decreased by 3 months when one boy is 20 years replaced by new boy. ఇక్కడ డిక్రీజ్ అయిందా ఇంక్రీజ్ అయిందా? డిక్రీజ్ అయింది. డిక్రీజ్ అయింది అంటే ఇన్కమింగ్ బాయ్ వెయిట్, ఇన్కమింగ్ బాయ్ ఏజ్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ బాయ్ ఏజ్ కంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? తక్కువ ఉండాలి. ఎంత తక్కువ ఉండాలి? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 24 members ఇంటూ 3 months అంటే ఎంత అయింది? దట్ ఈక్వల్ 72 months. దీన్ని ఇయర్లో మార్చాలంటే డివైడెడ్ బై 6 దట్ ఈస్ డివైడెడ్ బై 12 దట్ ఈక్వల్ 6 years. అంటే ద ఇన్కమింగ్ పర్సన్ ఏజ్ అవుట్ గోయింగ్ పర్సన్ ఏజ్ కంటే 6 years తక్కువ. అవుట్ గోయింగ్ పర్సన్ ఏజ్ ఎంత? 20 years. మరి ఇన్కమింగ్ పర్సన్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? -6 దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 14 years which is required answer. The average of marks obtained by 120 candidates in a certain examination is 35. If the average mark of passed candidate is 39 and that of failed candidates equal 15, what is the number of candidates who passed the examination? Here two methods చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, సపోజ్ మనకు అడిగింది ఏంటి? ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ హూ పాస్డ్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్. పాసింగ్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ X అనుకుందాం. పాస్డ్ క్యాండిడేట్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ X అనుకుందాం. మరి ఫెయిల్డ్ ఏమవుతారు? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 120 - X అన్నట్టు. పాస్ X అనుకుంటే ఫెయిల్డ్ ఎంత? 120 - X. నౌ ఇక్కడ పాస్ వల్ల ఎంత మనకి? 39. సో 39X ప్లస్ ఫెయిల్ ఎంత? 15 యావరేజ్ కదా, 15 × 120 - X. సో టోటల్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద యావరేజ్? దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 35 ఇంటూ దట్ ఈస్ ద యావరేజ్. సో 39 × 120. సపోజ్ ఇది మనం సాల్వ్ చేసామంటే యూ విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, అది మీరు చేసుకోండి, లీవ్ ఇట్. లేకపోతే మీకు సింప్లిఫై చేయాలంటే 39X ప్లస్ 15 × 120 minus 15X is equal to 35 × 120. 39X minus 15X 24X is equal to, ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేయొద్దు, ఇక్కడ 20 × 120. అర్థమైందా? 35 × 120 minus 15 × 120. సో 24, this is equal to 5 times. సో X is equal to 100. దట్స్ ఆల్. నేను మీకు పర్సంటేజెస్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ లో అలిగేషన్ మిక్సెస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాను. ఏంటది మనకి? చీపర్, డీరర్ అండ్ మీన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద డీరర్ మైనస్ మీన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద మీన్ మైనస్ చీపర్ కదా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇదే కండిషన్ మనం ఇక్కడ అప్లై చేస్తాం అనుకోండి. ఇక చీపర్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ 15. డీరర్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ 39. యావరేజ్ ఎంత? 35. సో ఇక్కడ ఎంత మనకి? దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4 అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రేషియో? 1:5. So if 15, this is the failed, and 39, this is the pass. What we required? We require the passed candidates or not. So that is equal to 120 × 5/6. So that is equal to 100, which is required answer. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మనకి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ అంటే క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ పార్ట్ తక్కువ ఉంటుంది, అంతే తేడా. A batsman in his 17th innings makes a score of 85 and thereby increases his average by 3 runs. Find his average after 17 innings. That is the question. A batsman in his 17th inning makes a score of 85. Okay, up to 16 innings, the average is equal to X. What is the total? 16X. In the 17th inning, he increased how many runs hit by that person? That is equal to 85. Now, what is the average? 17 into the average is increases by 3 runs. That is equal to X plus 3. ఇక్కడ 16 innings లోని వాడి యావరేజ్ మనకు తెలియదు, ఎక్స్ అనుకుందాం. సో టోటల్ రన్స్ ఎన్ని అవుతాయి? 16X అవుతాయి. దానికి 85 కానీ యాడ్ చేస్తే అప్పుడు ఏమైంది? 17 innings ఇంటూ ఏంటి? ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 3. ఓకే, సో 16X plus 85 is equal to 17X plus 51. So X is equal to 34. X అనేది ఏంటి? 16 innings average. మరి 17th inning average అంటే ఏంటి అవ్వాలి? X plus 3. That is equal to 34 plus 3. That is equal to 37, which is required answer. అంతే. A cricketer has completed 10 innings and his average 24 runs. How many runs must he make in his next innings so as to raise his average to 24? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 10 innings లో యావరేజ్ ఎంత ఉంది? 21.5 ఉంది. మరి టోటల్ ఎంత? 215. 11 innings లో యావరేజ్ ఎంత అవ్వాలంటున్నాడు? 24 అవ్వాలంటున్నాడు. మరి టోటల్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 264. ఈ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 49. అంటే 11th inning లో వాడు 49 రన్స్ కానీ హిట్ చేస్తే కొడితే అప్పుడు వాడి యావరేజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 24 అవుతుంది. అంతే. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్, ద యావరేజ్ సాలరీ ఆఫ్ ఎంటైర్ స్టాఫ్ ఇన్ ఆఫీస్ 120 rupees per month. The average salary of the officers is 460 and that of non-officers is 110. If the number of officers is 15, then find the number of non-officers in the office. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, the average salary of the entire staff in your office is 120 per month. నేను డైరెక్ట్గా అలిగేషన్ కాన్సెప్ట్కి వెళ్ళిపోతాం. ఓకేనా? చీపర్, డీరర్ అండ్ మీన్, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద డీరర్ మైనస్ మీన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ మీన్ మైనస్ చీపర్. సపోజ్ అందరూ కూడా నాన్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అనుకుందాం. నాన్ ఆఫీసర్స్, ఆఫీసర్. అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది మనకి? టోటల్ హౌ మెనీ మెంబర్స్ మనకు తెలియదు కదా. ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆఫీసర్స్ అన్నాడు. ఓకే, ద యావరేజ్ సాలరీ ఎంటైర్ స్టాఫ్ ఈక్వల్ 120 rupees per month. ద యావరేజ్ సాలరీ ఆఫ్ ఆఫీసర్స్ 460, నాన్ ఆఫీసర్ 110. సపోజ్ అందరూ కూడా ఎక్స్ మెంబర్స్ అనుకుందాం, అందరూ నాన్ ఆఫీసర్స్. అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది? మొత్తం టోటల్ 110X అవుతుంది. సపోజ్ అందరూ ఆఫీసర్స్ అనుకుందాం, అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతుంది? 460X అవుతుంది. బట్ యావరేజ్ ఎంత? 120X. ఎక్స్ అనేది మనకు అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, నా ఇక్కడ ఎంత మనకి? దిస్ ఇస్ 34, ఇదంతా దిస్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10. అంతేనా? 46 minus 10, 12. నెక్స్ట్ 12 minus 120. Yes, 340. So 34 is to 1. ఆఫీసర్స్ ఎంతమంది? 15. మరి నాన్ ఆఫీసర్స్ ఎంతమంది? ఏం చేయాలి? ఇంటూ 15. ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ 15. ఓకే, సో 34 into 15 ఎంత? 34 into 15. 34 3 times 45. Sorry, 15 3 times 45. 15 30 times 450. Keep in our mind. Plus 15 4 times 60. 450 plus 60, 510, which is required answer. Find the number of non-officers. That is equal to 510 members. Ante. The average age of all the students of a class is 18 years. The average age of boys in the class is 20 years and that of girls is 15 years. If the number of girls in the class is 20, then find the number of boys in the class. Okay, children. The average age of the students of the class is 18 years. The average age of boys in the class is 20 years and that of girls is 15 years. If the number of girls in the class is 20, then find the number of boys. Okay, children. బాయ్స్ ఎంతమంది తెలియదు. సపోజ్ అందరూ బాయ్స్ అనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి, యావరేజ్ ఎంత అవుతుంది? 15. బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ 15. బాయ్స్ ఎంతమంది? 18. ద యావరేజ్, సారీ, బాయ్స్ ఎంతమంది? 20. బాయ్స్ యావరేజ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 20. చూడండి, అంతా కూడా అలిగేషన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాం మనం. 20. గర్ల్స్ ఎంత? గర్ల్స్ ఎంతది? 15. యావరేజ్ ఎంత? 18. This is 3 and 2. So boys and girls are in the ratio 3:2. If the girls are 20, what are the boys? That equals 30 or not? That is answer. 2 into 10. Here 3 into 10. That's it. ఇక మనకి ఎక్స్ అనుకోండి, చేయడం ఏం అవసరం లేదు. There were 35 students in a hostel. If the number of students is increased by 7, the expense of the mess is increased by 42, while the average expenditure per head diminishes by 1 rupee. Find the original expenditure of the mess. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 35 students. Let us take average x, total 35x. Next, if the number of students increased by 7, so what happened? That is equal to 42 students. What is the average? Increased by, mass increased by 42 rupees, while the average expenditure diminishes by 1 rupee. X minus 1. What is the total? 42x minus 42. What is the difference between these two? That is equal to 42 rupees or not? Okay, so the total expense of the mess is increased by 42 rupees. That means 42x minus 42 minus 35x is equal to 42. So 7x is equal to 84. What is the value of x? That is equal to 12. What is the question? Find the original expenditure of the mess. Here x is equal to, that is the average. But what is the original expenditure? 35 into 12. What is the 35 into 12? 35 into 10, 350. Keep in our mind. 35 into 2, 70. So 350 plus 70. That is equal to 420 rupees, which is required answer. Next one. In a calculation, Mohan found the average of 4 numbers is 25. Rechecking Sohan notices that a number 15 is wrongly taken as 51. The correct average is. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, 2 methods చేద్దాం. 4 members, average, how much? 25. What is the total? That is equal to 100. Soban noticed that the number 15 is wrongly taken as 51. అంటే 15 ప్లేస్ లో 51 తీసుకున్నాడు, అంతే కదా. సో ఎంత ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకున్నట్టు? 51, 15, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 36 ఎక్స్ట్రా తీసుకున్నాడు. మరి ఆ 36 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసేయాలి కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ 64 అన్నట్టు. ఇప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి? కరెక్ట్ యావరేజ్. యావరేజ్ కావాలంటే టోటల్ 64 by total number of numbers 4. So average is equal to 16 is the answer. That's it. The average of first, second of 3 numbers. Let us take A, B and C. The average A plus B by 2. Next, the average second and third number. Here this is B plus C by 2. Now what is the relation? The average first and second of 3 numbers is 15 more than the average of second and third of these numbers. What is the difference between first, second and third numbers? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ కాదు, ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ నెంబర్స్ అని తీసుకోండి, సెకండ్ అవసరం ఉండదు. ఇఫ్ యు అబ్జర్వ్, A plus B plus 30 is equal to B plus C, right? A plus B plus 2 into 15, 30 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. BB gets cancelled. A minus C equal to 30. So what is the average of, what is the difference between first and third numbers? That is equal to 30. Next, in an exam, the average was found to be 50 marks. After detecting computational errors, the marks of the 100 candidates had to be changed from 90 to 60. each, and the average come down to 45 marks. The total number of candidates took examination. Suppose total number of candidates is equal to X. Average is equal to 50. What is the total? That is equal to 50X or not? Now, after deducting computational errors of the marks of the 100 candidates, average change from 90 to 60. Here, 100 candidates has to be changed from 90 to 60. Now, this is equal to 30 or not? What is the difference? That is equal to 30. 90 to 60. What is the total? That is equal to 3000. Now, what is the average? New average. That is equal to 45. So, what happened? This is equal to 45X. Initially, the total mark is equal to 50X. If you're deducting 3000 marks, then the new total is equal to 45X, right? So 5X is equal to 300, so 3000. What is the value of X? X is equal to 600. That is the answer. Right? This is about the averages. We'll meet again in the next video. Thank you, one and all.